The Harbin International Beer Festival opened for 28 days and welcomed 1 million visitors. The rotating bands ignited the dream stage, and Left and Right Brother led tens of thousands of people in a dance party. The beer tents of various themes were packed, and the cool summer nights in Harbin were boiling. Many people fall in love with a city because of beer. Harbin is the birthplace of Chinese beer, with the first beer factory appearing in Harbin. In 1900, Russian businessmen opened the first beer factory in China, the Olivin Brewery, on Garden Street in Harbin's Nonggang district. The name, Harbin beer, was first used in 1932 when Czech Gabriel Bark and Chinese Li Zuchen partnered to operate a brewery, which was named Harbin Beer Factory, and the beer brand was officially changed to the Russian name, Harbin. Data shows that the average beer consumption per person in Harbin is 85 liters per year, ranking first among major cities in the country. Harbin people love to drink beer not only due to tradition but also as a form of culture. Harbin people are open-minded, daring, artistic, and possess a beer culture that is characterized by passion, vitality, and joy. Beer endows the citizens of Harbin with an open and hospitable personality and a generous and enthusiastic nature. At the opening ceremony of the 21st China Harbin International Beer Festival, the China National Association for Liquor and Spirits presented the honorary plaque, China Beer Capital Harbin, to the city of Harbin, marking its official title as the China Beer Capital. As an important part of the charming Harbin summer cultural tourism fashion event, the Harbin International Beer Festival has become an important platform for demonstrating the city's vitality and cultural connotation.